Today is day 2 of Design Diaries with Eric. So as always, I go into the bag and I look through some of the fabrics that I have. Alright, today I'm going to be making a balaclava and I feel like that fleece camo would work the best. And then I grab some scissors, a marker, a tape measure, and a ruler. Alright, and I use that to mark out the shape that I wanted. Alright, now that we figured out the shape we going for, I got the scissors and cut out the shape. And this how it look. And again, I know it look kind of crazy, but y'all just gotta trust the process. So right here, I pinned it together and just went and did the first try on. And as y'all can see, it was a little tight, so I went back into the bag to find a second fabric to add on to make it bigger. I had a few options, but I ended up going this black corduroy. Then I got the ruler and a marking pencil to draw out the shape that I wanted. I trimmed off some of the excess fabric. Now we on to the next step, which is pin. Alright, I started off by pinning one side of the black fabric and the camo together. And then I went in and cut a few slits because the fabric have a curve in it, so I needed to give some allowance. And then boom, time for the fun part. Turn on the sewing machine, I thread the machine, and just like that, it's time to sew. After I sewed the first two sides together, I repeated the steps that I just did previously. Alright, and then this how I look after I sewed the last two parts together. I went in the bathroom to try it on again, and at this point, everything started coming together. Then I created a cuff around the edge of the hood and put the green drawstring in there. And boom, then I threaded my bobbin with some green thread, and it was time to sew. Alright, this how I look after I added the drawstrings. None of everything was coming together how I needed to. I went in and I cut some of the excess fabric. And then I cut another piece of the camo fleece and I pinned it down, sewed the mask together, and it's the final try on. Fit perfectly. It's a few ways that you can wear it. You can wear it how I was wearing it in the first clip, or you can tuck the drawstrings in so that they can be less visible. Yeah, it looked good, but now we had to go make sure it worked. So I went outside, and while I was outside, my face was warm, so it definitely worked. Make sure y'all hit that follow button and come back tomorrow for part 3. Alright, that's all I got for y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace.